Okay, for two particles of mass 0.5 kg and 0.25 kg moving with velocities 4 meter per second and negative 3 meter per second. Negative means the direction is opposite. They collide head-on in a perfectly inelastic collision. And we have to find the velocity of the composite particles. Composite particles means after the collision, they stick together and move with a common velocity. So let's say this is a particle of mass 0.5 kg and this is a particle of mass 0.25 kg and its initial velocity is 4 meter per second and its initial velocity is 3 meter per second. Okay, they collide head on and now they move with uh these are now the composite particles and now they move with common velocity v. We have to find the velocity of the composite particles after the collision. So first of all, we are going to make the statements or the equations, and according to law of conservation of linear momentum, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Let's use that. So according to law of conservation of momentum, it's m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to, and after they collide, the mass would be the combined mass in its common velocity v. So it's zero point 0.5 into 4 plus m2 is 0.5 into u2 is negative 3 and m1 it's 0.5 plus 5 and common velocity we have to find out. 0.25 into 4 is 2 and this is negative 0.75. This is 0.75 into v. So this is 1.25 is equal to 0.75 into v and common velocity of the composite particles is 0.125 divided by 0.75, which is 125 by 75. So 5 twos are is 10, 5 are 25, 1, 15, 3 and 5. So this is 5 by 3, which is equal to 1.67 meter per second is the velocity of the composite particles after the collision. Now the kinetic energy lost in the collision. So it's asked that what is the kinetic energy loss? The kinetic energy lost means that the initial kinetic energy of the first particle of the system and the initial kinetic energy of the second particle is greater, and from this we have to subtract the kinetic energy of the particle after collision, which is a composite particle, into v square. So let's put in the respective values. So half into this is 0.1 into 4 square plus half into mass m2 is 0.25. So this is 0.25 and velocity is 3 square minus half. This is 0.5 plus 0.25 into v and v is 5 by 3. So we are going to take the fraction part. So 5 by 3 square. Okay, this is 1.2 into 5.5 into the velocity first it's 4. So this is half into zero point 0.5 into 16 plus half into 0.25 into 9 minus half into 0.75 into 25 by 9. So let's calculate this. Now this is 2 8 are 16.85 into 8 is 4. This is now, this can be written as 25 by 100. So this is 4 and now it's 9 by 8 minus. This can be written as 75 by 100. 25 4s are is 100 and 3 3s are is 9, 2 are 6, 5s are 15. So this is 25 by 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24. Okay, so here LCM is 24, and 24 into 4 is 4, 4, 16. 4, 2, 8, and 9 plus 27 minus 25. So 96 plus 27 is 7, 6, 13, 9 to 11, and 12 minus 25 by 20. So 13 minus 5 is 8, 11 minus 2 is 98 by 24, which is equal to 49 by 12. And 49 divided by 12 should give me the value 4.08. So this is equal to 4.08 meter per second. So this is 4.08 meter per, sorry, joule is the loss in the kinetic energy. Thank you for watching.